Today we're going to review keyboard shortcuts in Hexagon EAM. There are system level and screen level functions. Let's start with Control F9. Control F9 opens the My Account screen. So rather than navigate to the screen from the menu, you can simply press Control F9 on your keyboard. This will give you quick access to change your password or perhaps update your success message timeout. Another useful shortcut is Control F2. Control F2 opens the Jump to Screen pop-up. If you're unsure of where a screen is located in your menu, you can use the Jump to screen to search for the screen. If you happen to know the screen code, you could enter it in right away. Otherwise, you can search for the screen by name from the lookup. So let's jump to the Asset screen. If you hover over the icons in the toolbar, you will see these listed. If you need to copy a record, that would be Control F, whereas resetting the screen would be Control R. Another useful shortcut is F9. So if you click in a field and then press F9, this will open the field lookup. This is extremely useful if you need to update the supplier on the Generate PO screen, or perhaps you're a system administrator and you need to define a security filter on a user group screen permission. Now, using the keyboard shortcuts, I could press Control S to save this update. Let's switch to List View. Perhaps I want to filter this list to my equipment that are installed since March 1st. Once I define my filters, I can press F8 to execute the multi-field search. Alternatively, Alt-C would clear the filter values in the multi-field search. And finally, let's take a look at Control H. Control H will open the Hexagon EAM Help portal. I recommend searching for keyboard shortcuts and looking for the article titled Using the Keyboard Shortcuts. This will provide you with a comprehensive list of all of the system and screen level keyboard shortcuts available in Hexagon EAM.